Welcome to my channel. I am Rachel from Her Thrive, and I am so excited that you're here today. I am doing a project share of a mini album. I've never shared something like this before, you guys, because I am new to doing these mini albums. Okay, I watched a tutorial by PinkStrawberryz. I believe I'll link her down below, and I copied her tutorial and kind of did a craft with me with her. Now hers is way better. Okay, I am all about using what I already have, and I've had this collection for probably 2 years. It is, oh my goodness, I think the name of the collection is in here somewhere. Probably not. I know, oh, Sparkle by Shamil. I think it's called Sparkle. I hope. Okay, but I'll probably have to look it up and link it. Anyways, so I have not used this. I had all these pieces left over, and I wanted to use them. I love this book, y'all. I'm gonna have to make a book like this to hold all of my leftover stuff, like all my little cutouts and whatnot. This book came with her stickers. And so, Sparkle City, that's the name of it, Sparkle City. So I had this book full of stickers, and then I had a few sheets left, but this is the biggest sheet I have left. I hardly had anything left, y'all. Hardly anything. And so I'm all about just, using my stash for right now before I just go buy everything, because I've kind of been doing that as well. But I'm like, you need to use your stash. So that's what I've been doing. So that is where this collection, and that's why I chose this. And this is just a little mini book. It is a 4x4, I believe. I think. Okay, so mine's a little bit different than, I think a tad bit different than hers. I'm not sure. So you can open the book this way, and then there's this little flap here, and you can put photos and things in there. And then you have this little pull out, and you can journal on the back of that, or you can stick a photo on there. So it opens up this way, and then you can turn it again that way. And then this is a pocket. You can put something in here. I have something in there, dance it up, and then you can open that and journal in there, or add photos, and then you can journal on this side, or it's upside down because look, it was a card like that. These were stuck together. I mean, it came like this, and you fold it, but it doesn't matter. I guess it could go like that. Either way, so that goes in there. There's a little pocket in here, and then here's a little pocket here, again, journaling or photos. And I stuck these balloons. Okay, so this is a cut apart sheet. I believe that's where this came from. These are cut aparts. You see, these are the cut aparts, and I just folded them and stuck them in there. And so I kind of lined it up to where it would be that way. Oh, I'm so sorry, my earbuds keep coming out. Yeah, I lined it up so it would come out that way. You'd be able to see the world part. And I just stuck those balloons on there, stuck those balloons on there. Okay, so you see it opened up like this, but then you can open up this way. And then I have another pocket here with a little tag that you can journal on, put photos. You can, all these little flaps and whatnot, you can stick little 3x4 photos or 3x2 photos. Here you can journal, photos, whatnot on here. And that's the back. So yeah. Oh, and this is a pocket. Did you guys know? Yeah, I think it's so I don't know that hers had a pocket. I feel like her front didn't have a pocket, it opened, but I just wanted a pocket because I had a bunch of these cut aparts and I didn't know what I was going to do with them. These 3x4 pocket pages, and so pocket cards, and so I wanted to do something with them. So this is what I came up with. I just wanted to stick them in there. So whoops, I didn't adhere the back of that. I mean the bottom very well, I guess, because it was poking out. I need to put some more tape or whatnot on that. But yeah, that is my project. Hers is way better. I think hers was a flap that came over this part. It was a flap or something. I don't remember. But I think what she did was on hers is she had it like this. But it wasn't a 3x4. It like covered the whole thing so it looked better. And I just didn't like the way that looked. I wanted you to be able to see this whole image. So yeah, like let me show you again because I feel like that's confusing. And like that. And I can't wait to just put like a bunch of photos in here. Like, you know, just use it and journal it. But I love it. I think it's really cute. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up if you like to see my little projects like this. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will see you guys next time. Bye.